Frito Bandito Nacho Bag. This recipe will make 2 Frito Bandito Nacho Bags. Ingredients: 2 bags of Fritos, the original corn chips. 1 can of Fritos mild cheddar nacho cheese. 1 can of no beans meat only chili. 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar. Sliced black olives. Sliced jalapenos. 2 heaping tablespoons of sour cream. For our guacamole, we need 1 more heaping tablespoon of sour cream. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and sea salt. And 1 heaping tablespoon of onion powder. An avocado and a lime. For our guacamole, the avocado, onion powder, garlic powder, sea salt, and black pepper, lime juice, sour cream, and mix it all up. With your trusty bare bones knife, cut open your bag of Fritos very carefully. Wait a minute, that's a bare bones knife. That's not for cutting. We'll use these newfangled contraptions. Cut along the top. Open up your bag. Like so. Chili. Nacho cheese. Shredded cheddar cheese. Sour cream. Guacamole. Sliced jalapenos. And sliced black olives. I already feel like I can shoot faster.